Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a TikTok account. So the first step is to simply open TikTok. Once you're in the app, go ahead and tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner to access your profile page. This is where you manage all your TikTok activities, from uploading videos to editing your settings. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of your profile page. This will open a menu with various options related to your account settings. From there, you'll go to Settings and Privacy. In this section, you can manage everything from your account details to your privacy settings. Now, scroll down a bit and you'll see an option labeled Account. Tap on that, and then you'll see the option that says Deactivate or Delete Account at the bottom. Once you're in this section, you'll have to choose Delete Account Permanently. Keep in mind that deleting your account is permanent, and your videos, followers, and all other data associated with your account will be erased. However, TikTok does give you a 30-day grace period to cancel the deletion request, just in case you change your mind during that time. During this 30-day period, you can reactivate your account by simply logging back in. So, simply tap on Delete Account Permanently. Then, you'll be prompted to select a reason for your decision to delete your account. You can choose a reason from the provided options, or if you'd prefer, you can skip this step and proceed without selecting one. Afterward, you'll need to confirm your choice to delete your account. Once you've confirmed, tap on Continue to finalize the process. After this, TikTok will ask you to tap on Continue again to confirm your decision. Once you've done that, your account will be in the process of being deleted. That's it! You've successfully deleted your TikTok account. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you found this guide useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. If you have any questions, comments, or if you need help with any other tech-related issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.